This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Darren Backel. Lovely home in a quiet neighborhood, this spacious pool house with many upgrades. 3-bedroom, 2 full bath. Large master bedroom with side room that can be used for office or nursery. Master bath includes jacuzzi tub. Modern kitchen with stainless steel appliances. Plenty of extra storage in utility room with newer smart washer/dryer, 2022. Enjoy low utility costs with fully paid for solar panels. Metal roof and hurricane rated windows, surveillance camera. The fully fenced backyard boasts a covered lanai and large covered pool. A large patio area to sit back, relax, and a great place to entertain guests. Your swimming season has been extended with a new pool heater, 2023, and replaced pool pump motor, 2024. For more information